Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Afif and I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am very excited to present to you a 3D model of tenses. Tenses helps us to indicate an action or event in the sentence. There are three main types of tenses. First one is past tense, second one is present tense, and third one is future tense. Let's start with the present tense. Present tense is used to describe an action or an event that is happening now. Example, she goes to the market. Another example, I play football every Sunday. Another example, we live in India. Second one is past tense. Past tense is used to describe an action or an event that has already happened. Example, I played football last Sunday. Another example, she went to the market. Another example, we lived in India. And finally and last one is future tense. The future tense is used to describe an action or event that is going to happen in the future. Example, I will play football next Sunday. Another example, she will go to the market. Learning the different types of tenses is important for effective communication in English and can make your writing and speaking much clearer and more precise. If you like my presentation, do like and subscribe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.